welcome back to another week of giving away. So let's see who is going to win this week. So he or she, and what he or she going to get it today? Is it iPhone or bike? So I hope everyone is excited, as I am. So why to wait for it? So let's reveal the winner, and I call Mr. Premji, the Senior Product Manager, who will say a few lines about the winner and give away the reward. So over to you, Premji.
Okay. First, we need to appreciate the fact that we are having this on a Monday. Because I used to think like, no, we have this on a Friday and over the weekend it goes over our head. So next Monday we don't think about it much, right? We think about this only on a Friday. So I think it's good. It happened that no, we are going to have this on a Monday. Yeah, I appreciate being involved in that decision. Cool. So today I had Paramita coming to me and saying, you'll be announcing the winner. And I asked, may I know the winner? And she said, no, you won't know that person. Okay. Then I said, then she gave me a paper and said, this is a person, and read it. When I read it, I saw my name there. And everybody was clapping, but I couldn't hear anything except a sound saying, it's time, wake up. Then it was my wife, and I realized it was a dream. Cool, then so I've been given 5 rights of the person who is winning this today, and unfortunately, since I don't know the name and I'm bad in my memory, I've written this, so I'll read that. And before that, I just want to have a few lines. Rewards and recognitions are the best form of appreciation, and as humans, we all love to be appreciated, right? So as kids, if you have seen some kid scribbling, right? The mom would say, wow, it looks like your father. And the father says yes. And that's the fun of family, right? So the child gets like a good feeling like, wow, she has done something great. Oh, she has grew her father. So that small appreciations, like, it's important for each human, so that you get self-motivated and you love to do better as you go. And good. So, okay, the resource has been instrumental in creating user stories for extraordinary scenarios and also identifying a lot of gaps in the scope of few products. Time bound, meets deadlines with quality work, sincere and smart worker, always ready with a smile. And guys, remember, these are clues for you, right? When you guys do this, you are in the fray, right? You always get qualified for this. So it's a clue, so you can note it down. Staying back late nights, stretching those extra hours, working on weekends has become a routine for this person. It wouldn't be wrong if I say that this person has made his or her visibility and presence in the organization through continuous contribution in not just one but couple of products. And the last one, currently working on O-Founders product. And has been very proactive in identifying a lot of UX, functional and system integration bugs. Good. Any guesses, by the way? Okay, shall we count from 5? Downwards, 5, 4, and it goes to Maunika Jogu.
Thank you so much, On Qasim. and my team members and my management. Thanks for giving the